Hi, I need to buy a hammer.
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 Can you help me find the screwdrivers?
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 How much is this spanner?
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 Do you have any pliers?
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 Where are the saws located?
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 Can I return this if it doesn't work?
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 I'm looking for a tape measure.
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 Do you have any sandpaper?
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 Can you recommend a good drill?
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 Where can I find the nails?
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 This screw is the wrong size.
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 I need a saw blade for cutting metal.
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 Do you have any wood glue?
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 Can you show me where the hammers are?
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 I need a spanner for this bolt.
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 How much is this power drill?
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 Where can I find the screw nuts?
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 Can you recommend a good saw?
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 I need some sandpaper for smoothing wood.
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 Do you have any power sanders?
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 I need a blade for my jigsaw.
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 How much is this hardware cloth?
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 Can I get a discount if I buy in bulk?
Can I get a discount if I buy in bulk?
Can I get a discount if I buy in bulk?
Can I get a discount if I buy in bulk?
I need a new drill bit for concrete.
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 Can you help me find the right size screw?
Can you help me find the right size screw?
Can you help me find the right size screw?
Can you help me find the right size screw?
I'm looking for a specific kind of spanner.
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 Where can I find the paint brushes?
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 Can you recommend a good socket spanner set?
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 I need a new blade for my hacksaw.
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 Do you have any safety glasses?
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 I need a new pair of work gloves.
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 How much is this angle grinder?
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 Where can I find the metal files?
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 Can you recommend a good set of chisels?
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 I need a new pair of safety boots.
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 Do you have any sanding blocks?
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 I need a new blade for my jigsaw.
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 How much is this air compressor?
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 Where are the wire brushes located?
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 Can you recommend a good welding helmet?
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 I need a new pair of pliers for cutting wire.
I need a new pair of pliers for cutting wire.
I need a new pair of pliers for cutting wire.
I need a new pair of pliers for cutting wire.
Do you have any metal cutting discs?
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 I need a new pair of bolt cutters.
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 How much is this bench grinder?
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 Where can I find the wire strippers?
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 Can you recommend a good set of hex keys?
Can you recommend a good set of hex keys?
Can you recommend a good set of hex keys?
Can you recommend a good set of hex keys?
I need a new pair of needle nose pliers.
I need a new pair of needle nose pliers.
I need a new pair of needle nose pliers.
I need a new pair of needle nose pliers.
Do you have any metal cut-off wheels?
Do you have any metal cut-off wheels?
Do you have any metal cut-off wheels?
Do you have any metal cut-off wheels?